Yo, Down 2020, you know what I'm saying? Bring my 15th album, which, you heard me? 15th freestyle album, you heard me? So, we'll see, we get on that in a minute. Okay, yeah, we get it. Then we down spin it. We making all the cash and we make it sound terrific. Bitch, I'm like an engine turning fucking over. When I get it real loud like a fucking rover. With the damn pipe, so what you heard tonight? Creeping around town bringing all kind of goodness. So what you ever heard, bitch? Smoking on the wood shit. I don't give a fuck, bitch. Heard it damn proper. Do it real big like a motherfucking lobster. Do it like that, like we chopping hits from the blockster. Bitch, do it big like I'm on your damn blockster. Doing it real big like a damn trap star. We out here, over here to Mars. 4 fucking cars is what I'm all about. So tell me, bitch, are you really about it? Cause we gon' open up, then we gon' fucking see who brings the toughness. We gon' make a cream. We gon' get her in and out, damn fucking G. Know what I mean? Cause she bad and I put her on my motherfucking team. Damn, my ass swole. Damn, I'm in control. When I bust it open, I let the boys know. I don't fucking play with her, never fucking did. I'ma get it in and out the damn crib. Know what I mean? And I do it real nice. I make it real clean and I do it this night. Do it every night if I want to. Don't matter, just catching bucks over there. What you heard? Do my shit like take off your shirt. Then don't come down with the fucking thing. Know what I mean? Steadily making fucking rain. Make my guabanese and a stack of urbanese. I do it so proper through the fucking street. Make a damn roundabout, run a which way. Know that I'm paid and I'm motherfucking spray. When about my cash, make it fucking fast. If I'm gonna blast and I pull out and smash, motherfucker do it. 100-yard dash, run through it, pursue it. If I'm making cash, I don't give a fuck, bitch. Slap her on the ass, make my damn noise, and I bring my fucking toy. Know what I mean? Cause I got my fucking boys, stay fucking clean, and I'm motherfucking creased up. Know what I mean? And I got the big bug. Know what I mean? And she got a big bug. So we gon' take it back, yeah, motherfucker, get it in, split the dividends like a motherfucking friend. Do that shit and don't even pretend, bitch, making noise.